Emerald is emerging mental health systems in low and middle income countries. This project is run in Ethiopia, India, South Africa, Nepal, Uganda and Nigeria.
Train the management to be able to see what they need to do to extend the services for people with mental disorders.
How do we train in particular generalists to take on more of the tasks that are currently being implemented by specialists, and how do we therefore increase access to mental health within our health system?
Manpower development trainings. This time around, not just for state level, but for local level.
It's really given me the experience and the skill to learn what it means to be involved in multi-country research and to see them discuss issues and then learning from their experience and skills.
What we appreciate about Emerald is that they don't come in with ready-made answers. They rather try to work with us on our problems to understand exactly what the issues are.
It's very encouraging to see that your own problems and things are also existing in another country, and that they have resolved it in some way, and maybe they can learn from you.
Because most of the time we're struggling with the similar issues, but having this project that is multi-site and bringing together policymakers from different parts of the world with similar challenges is useful in that we're all learning together and learning from each other.
And you are creating a community of people,
a huge network of people, of resources,
who work on similar projects and similar programs and similar problems.
I met new people, and that will be something that will be a lifelong value.
Because for me, what is done for me now is to open my eyes to see what things that are happening in other countries.
What best practices they have and what we can learn from each other.
And then know what to bring to the table when I get back home to my permanent secretaries, and of course ultimately to the government.
So these peoples can talk to the ministry levels, policy makers, and some of the psychiatrists about how to deal with the problems.
So Emerald project provides a unique opportunity to have a geographical as well as system level scale up of a program.
The question then becomes, how do you do that in a context of limited resources, limited skills, where capacity is not quite what it should be?
Indicators. One of the issues we know is around measurement. If we are not able to measure what we're doing, then how do we know if we've succeeded?
Because again, policies will be driven by data, directions will be driven by available data, and because we haven't had that, over the years, that again has brought in a lot of gaps in mental health issues.
So this is a very, I think, effective and efficient work to work together.
And everybody who has a stake in mental health agreed that this is where we need to go to.
A sense that people are going somewhere and that they know where they want to go.
To do advocacy so that there be an increased awareness on mental health issues.
To keep mental health on the forefront in terms of priority.
And decrease the gap that is often spoken about between people who need care and those who get care.
Having been on this Global Mental Health program has really opened my eyes and empowered me into the current trends and developments in mental health issues.